This week on Wood Heat Wednesday, we're giving away a 3-in-1 forestry tool by LogOX. Stay tuned and figure out how you can have a chance to win. So I'm super excited about this video. This is something we were talking about several months back, but then they ended up getting backed up a little bit. But we have the 3-in-1 forestry package to give away. They said they'd be willing to ship it anywhere in the world. So really excited. If you're not very familiar with this tool, we did do a video review on this a few months back. A fantastic tool to add to your arsenal if you cut and process your own firewood. It can really save you a lot of wear and tear on your body. The forestry package is all based around the log hauler, a very functional tool. Allows you to easily roll logs over, you can pick up splits or whole entire rounds while saving your back. I think one of my favorite uses for it is actually at the log splitter. Instead of swinging a Pickaroon after a long hard day, they have a nice little holster you can put on your side. That way the tool is always at your fingertips and you can easily pick up logs without putting yourself in any danger. This package also does come with a Pickaroon with the flexibility of being able to use that handle to give you a little bit more of a mechanical advantage on the log hauler. And swapping out just a couple more pins, we can turn this thing into a timber jack. It allows you to lift the log up, keep your chain out of the dirt, and sharper longer. So a great set of tools and a great package. Really can't say enough about it. If you'd like to see a little bit more in-depth review, a little bit more about how this tool can help you, go back and check out my previous video I did on this tool. I'll put a link to that down in the description below, as well as a link over to LogOX's website where you can find out a little bit more information about LogOX tool and the company itself. USA made product, father-son business, and I really can't say enough about these guys. Top-notch customer service. The last video I put out, they were all over the comment section answering questions, trying to help people out. And one of the big complaints was, why can't you get this thing internationally? And they've made big strides to try to address some of those things. Not to mention, it's like I get on woodcutting forums all over the internet, and there's Austin sitting over there answering questions and really a big part of this community. It's not just they're trying to sell something to everybody. So I think that's why it feels so good. It's a good tool. It's a good business, and I feel like it meshes really well with the community that's behind this Wood Heat Wednesday series. So it feels really well. So enough gushing over the company here. Let's get into how you can win this thing. I'm just looking for two things. I'm asking that you're subscribed to the channel and that you leave a comment on this video. Tell me about what type of wood stove you have, or the wood stove you plan to get in the future, or maybe some of your favorite firewood cutting tools. All I'm really looking for is just a little bit of verification. I'm really hoping this tool goes to someone that's going to use it and it's not just going to sit and get dust, you know, sitting in the back of the garage or something. I think the tool, I mean, it's a great back saver. It can potentially help someone that has a bad back or prevent someone from getting a bad back and help someone put firewood up a little bit longer and help them keep their family warmer longer with some wood heat. So yeah, so that's really all I'm looking for. In 2 weeks time, so I believe it is April 4th, we'll do a random comment selector and we'll pick a comment from this video. So make sure you have it in this time. If there's someone else that you you know of that would have interest in potentially winning this tool, let them know about this so they can get their entry in time. Then we'll exchange information with the winner, and we'll get that item sent right on out to you. So anyways, I'd like to wish everybody good luck. Hope everyone's having a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.